To check battery health using GCPU application on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go for the Play Store application. From here you will have to go for the search and go for this text box right here and insert this text GCPU. Press search and you would like to go for this application GCPU, and from there simply press this button to install this application, and after the installation is complete you'll have to open it. So let's open this one from here, then go for this check mark right here and do not consent actually, and alright, from here what you have to do is just press this battery right here. Here's the tab with the battery overall. Let's tap it, and from here there is possible that there will be an ad, so let's skip this one real quick, and right here you can find the health of this battery, which says good, and here you can find some additional more options right here, more information for this battery. And so yeah, that's basically how you can do this.